Hey, what's going on? Ryan DePaul here, and today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to myAI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, myAI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how myAI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
In this video, what I want to share with you is how you can change a suggested image given to you from a social post through myAI. So this is a caption and image suggested to me through myAI. And what I want to do is I want to click to change the image. Okay, let's say I don't like that image, whatever it is, I can click to change it. And I'm going to go to AI image search. That's here. And I can choose to search using AI, or I can just go to an image search that's available. And I could put something like happy people, right? And here are some great choices that I can use. I can choose this one. And when I do, I can click to edit that image and then click to add. And you can see that image automatically change, and it will be in my downloads folder just like it's supposed to when I click to get started. I want to share with you something else. When I click to change image, sometimes we're zoomed in way too close on our computer, so we don't see that button that's down at the bottom. This could be you. So if you don't see some of the buttons here, right, like this one in your AI image search, let's say we were choosing another happy person or just happy, right? You can choose this one. Make sure you can see this button, okay, so that you can choose that image and click add. If you don't, it probably means you're zoomed in way too much. So go ahead and zoom out, right? And then you can click to add and you'll see that image change. If you want to go ahead and post it, I'll show you. Click to get started, post, and you can create a brand new post. Select from your computer. There it is. And I can even, look, go right here and you can change it if you want to. Click next and then just click to paste. And it is that simple. Our post has been shared. That's how you do it. And that's how you change an image right here from your suggested images. Thanks so much for watching.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of myAI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that myAI can do and offers to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on myAI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number is in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so, and I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.